Ever wondered how niacinamide works when it goes deep into your skin? This powerhouse ingredient, a form of vitamin B3, doesn't just sit on the surface. It takes a deep dive to transform your skin from the inside out. When you apply a niacinamide product, it embarks on a journey through the layers of your skin. It navigates through the stratum corneum, the outermost layer, and penetrates deeper into the epidermis. This is where the magic truly happens. Niacinamide interacts with your skin cells, triggering a cascade of beneficial effects. Think of it as a delivery system, carrying vital nutrients to where they're needed most. This journey is what sets niacinamide apart. It's not just a surface-level fix, it's a deep-rooted solution for healthier, more radiant skin. Now let's zoom in further to understand niacinamide's actions at a molecular level. Imagine tiny factories within your skin cells working tirelessly to keep your complexion clear, smooth, and youthful. Niacinamide steps in as a powerful catalyst, boosting these factories' efficiency. One way it does this is by increasing the production of ceramides. Ceramides are like the mortar that holds bricks, your skin cells together, forming a strong, healthy skin barrier. A robust barrier is crucial for locking in moisture and keeping irritants at bay. Furthermore, niacinamide acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals generated by UV exposure and pollution. These free radicals are notorious for damaging skin cells and accelerating aging. By combating them, niacinamide helps protect your skin from premature wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. One of niacinamide's most remarkable qualities is its versatility. It caters to a wide array of skin types and concerns, making it a true skincare all-rounder. Whether you have oily, combination, or dry skin, niacinamide has something to offer. For those with oily skin, niacinamide works wonders in regulating sebum production. Sebum is the natural oil produced by your skin. While it's essential for keeping the skin moisturized, an overproduction can lead to clogged pores, acne breakouts, and that unwanted shine. Niacinamide helps to control sebum, keeping oiliness in check without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Combination skin, characterized by an oily T-zone and dry cheeks, can be tricky to manage. Niacinamide's balancing act shines here. It simultaneously controls oil in the T-zone, while providing much-needed hydration to drier areas, resulting in a more harmonized complexion. If you struggle with dryness, niacinamide comes to the rescue by strengthening the skin's barrier function. As mentioned earlier, a healthy barrier is crucial for preventing moisture loss. By boosting ceramide production, niacinamide helps your skin retain moisture, leaving it feeling supple, smooth, and hydrated. Section 4. Your niacinamide routine, tips and tricks. Ready to incorporate this wonder ingredient into your skincare routine? Here are some practical tips and tricks to maximize its benefits. First, if you're new to niacinamide, it's always best to start with a low concentration, around 2 to 5%, and gradually increase as your skin tolerates it. This allows your skin to acclimate to the ingredient and minimizes the risk of irritation. Second, before applying any new product to your entire face, perform a patch test on a small area of skin, like your inner forearm. This helps determine if you have any sensitivities or allergies to the ingredient. Third, niacinamide plays well with other ingredients and can be incorporated into both your morning and evening skincare routines. And finally, niacinamide works synergistically with other antioxidants like vitamin C, enhancing their effectiveness. Consider combining products containing these ingredients for a powerful 1-2 punch against free radical damage. Section 5. The science behind the glow studies and expert opinions. The remarkable benefits of niacinamide aren't just anecdotal. They're backed by scientific research and endorsed by dermatologists worldwide. Numerous studies have confirmed its efficacy in addressing various skin concerns. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that a 4% niacinamide formulation significantly reduced the appearance of wrinkles and improved skin elasticity after 8 weeks of use. Another study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science demonstrated niacinamide's ability to reduce sebum excretion, making it a valuable asset for those with oily and acne-prone skin. Dermatologists often recommend niacinamide as a first-line treatment for a wide range of skin conditions, including acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. Its gentle nature, combined with its impressive results, has solidified its place as a staple in many skincare routines. Section 6. Niacinamide, your skin's best friend. In the world of skincare where trends come and go, niacinamide stands tall as a timeless classic. Its ability to address multiple skin concerns, its compatibility with various skin types, and its scientifically proven efficacy make it a true skincare superhero. Whether you're battling breakouts, combating wrinkles, or simply seeking to enhance your skin's natural radiance, niacinamide deserves a prime spot in your beauty arsenal. Embrace the power of this versatile ingredient and embark on a journey to achieve healthier, happier, and more radiant skin. Remember, consistency is key. With regular use, you'll be amazed by the transformative effects of this skincare powerhouse.